Hello guys, good morning everyone. My name is Gyanen from English with Village Blog. So guys, today I am going to tell you how to practice in English. I know most of the beginners they don't have any partner to practice, but I have tricks. If you follow these tricks, of course, you will be fluent in English soon. So most of the people say that I know about grammar, but I don't know how to speak and what should I speak because they don't have topic, they don't have anyone. So let me tell you one thing. So we can find small topic and we can talk on this. Such as today I am going to tell you how to practice in English. Well, let me find a topic for me. So suppose yesterday I bought a t-shirt. So on this topic, I'm going to tell you how to ask question and reply. So let's start. So Gyanen, I got to know that yesterday you bought a t-shirt. Yes, I bought a t-shirt. Okay. So at what time did you go to market? I went to market at uh, 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay, great. So with whom did you go to market? I went to market with my friend. Okay, so tell me, what is your friend's name? My friend's name is Subham. Okay, so where does he live? He lives next to my home. What does he do? He studies. In which class does he study? He studies in 12th class. So, when you went to market, so how long did you stay in the market? Well, I stayed 1 hour in the market. So how many t-shirt did shopkeeper show you? Shopkeeper showed me 5 t-shirts. So did you choose anyone? Yes, I chose one of them. So could you please tell me what is the color of the t-shirt? Well, the color of the t-shirt is green. Wow. So do you like green color? Of course I like green color. So what was the price of the t-shirt? So the price of the t-shirt is uh, 200 rupees. Okay, so how many t-shirts did you buy? I bought only one t-shirt. And what did your friend buy? Well, my friend didn't buy anything. So after buying t-shirt, what did you do? After buying t-shirt, I went to a restaurant. Why did you go to restaurant? Because my friend wanted to eat something because he was hungry. So what did you eat in restaurant? Well, I ordered some samosa along with a cold drink bottle, a cold drink. Okay, so who paid for the cold drink and samosa? Of course, I paid all the things. So after having all the things, what did you do? After having all the things, I came back to my home. Great. So at what time did you come back your home? Well, I came around 1:30 p.m. So when you came, so what did you do? Well, I took shower and I took lunch. What did you have for lunch? Well, I ate, I think, potatoes, vegetable, and rice along with some roti. After that, what did you do? After that, I went to my room and I slept. Okay, in the evening, what did you do? In the evening, I just went to my farm. Why did you go to your farm? I went to my farm because whole day I didn't do anything, so I thought I should go to my farm. So when you went to your farm, so what did you do? Well, when I went to my farm, I saw some stranger animals. They were grazing. They were in my farm. So, oh, so did you uh, drive them away? Did you drive them away? Yes, I drove them away. And after that, what did you do? After that, I stayed for some time, and after half an hour, I came back to my home. Having reached home, I told everything like to my mom that some animals were in the farm. Okay, so what did your mom say? Well, my mom didn't say anything, and she said to me that yes, you have to go to farm every day in order to take care of our farm. I said okay. So at what time did you take dinner? Well, I took dinner around 9 p.m. What did you have? I just had a pulse along with some rice. After that, I started using my mobile. Okay, so how long did you use your mobile? I used my mobile for half an hour, and after that, I started feeling sleepy. So I put my mobile aside and I slept. So guys, see, I just took a topic and I talked on it. People say that I don't know how to ask question, I don't know how to reply. So by this way, if you know grammar, if you know a little bit structure, so of course you will be able to speak English. You don't need to find any partner, you are enough for you. So I I didn't have anyone, I didn't have environment, but I started like selecting some topic and I started talking to on those topic. Actually, I was helpless. I didn't have environment, so I thought I should take some topic and I should talk on this. I should ask question and reply by myself because it has been long time since I have been learning grammar, but I couldn't improve. Then, then I thought I should do something different. So people say that until you practice, you can't be fluent in English. So I thought, okay, let me practice because until I practice, I'm not going to become fluent in English. So guys, then I started talking to by myself, and I started talking to different type of topic, and then I realized, then I thought, yes, I'm improving myself. I don't need any partner, I don't need any environment. And this is a very good technique. This is really very good, like magical trick. If you follow this, nobody can stop you to become fluent in English, guys. So end of this video, I would like to say that nothing will happen until you speak. If you really want to become fluent in English, so just start talking to yourself. You start talking, because no matter how much you are spending every day for your grammar, for your English, but until you speak, you are not going to be fluent in English. I have improved by myself, so you can also become fluent in English by yourself. Thank you so much, guys.